Okay, so we're at the St. Lawrence River. We're about to put the tester into the water. Okay, the tester is in the water.
Okay, it's clean.
Alright, it is November 31st, 2029. The water is clean in the St. Lawrence River.
Okay, our next lake or river is...
Barefooted Swamp.
Okay, let's go. Okay, we're here.
Yep. Alright, we are at Barefooted Swamp, and we are about to test the water. The date is January 30th, 2030.
Okay, here, I got the water.
Alright, we're about to put the tester in the water.
Whoa, it looks like it's contaminated.
Yeah, maybe we should take a bigger sample back to the lab.
Yeah, okay, here, I got a bigger jar.
Okay.
Okay, here, I got a bigger jar.
Alright, let's go back to the lab.
Okay.
Okay, so we're now back at the lab.
Yup, we are. Okay, so first we should figure out what's inside it.
Okay, well, there's obviously water inside of it.
Yeah, and there's oil you can see at the top.
Yeah, there's actually a lot of oil up there.
Mm-hmm.
At the bottom, actually, there's sand. There's some sand.
And there's like a lot of pebbles and stuff.
Yeah.
We should go write down a procedure or a flowchart.
Alright, let's go.
Okay.
Okay, this is our flowchart. Now, we have the mixture here containing pebbles, sand, oil, and water. And we're going to take it and put it through a sieve. So the pebbles are caught by the sieve, and the sand, water, and oil will be in this bowl here. Next, we'll take the sand, water, and oil and put it through a paper filter. So the sand will be caught in the paper filter.
Now, the oil and water will be in this container. Then we will put many paper filters on top of this bowl. Then we will pour the oil and water into this bowl. The many paper filters will catch the oil and letting the water go through. Now the water will be at the bottom and it will be all clean.
Okay, so we are in our lab.
Okay, so our materials are a sieve,
Our mixture,
some paper filters,
and a measuring cup.
and 2 other measuring cups. So first we need to sieve out the rocks.
Okay, so pouring the mixture through the sieve.
So to get all the sand out of the sieve, I think that's all right.
Yep.
So
Now we have
to
the oil, the sand, and the water left in the cup.
okay, so we need to pour it into this measuring cup with the paper filter.
Make sure you hold the filter on the top.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Just pour it slowly. Okay, just pour it a little bit at a time. A little bit at a time.
Okay. We'll wait.
Okay. For the oil and water to go through the paper filter. So.
Okay, so as you can see, all of the water and oil has pretty much passed through this fine coffee filter, and the sand is left.
Okay, so since all the oil and water has passed through, we will put the sand on the plate over here. Okay, let's just do that. Okay, so now we'll take about 5 or 6 fine coffee filters and put it over back on this bowl. No, we can't do it now.
We will put it on this measuring cup.
Okay, so far we have sieved out the pebbles, filtered out the sand, and now we are going to filter out the oil from the water.
Okay, so we have 5 filter papers here. Because oil is more dense than water, all these filter papers will actually catch the oil and let the water go through. So I'm going to pour this in.
Still dripping. I don't think that's the water.
Okay, so all of the water has dripped out, and we're going to place that There. Ta-da. Okay.
So that's all the oil. As you can see that it's yellow, so because oil.
And now as you can see, the water is clear in this cup.
No, we forgot the bacteria.
Oh yeah.
Okay, how do you separate bacteria?
Well, we can use chlorine for the bacteria.
Okay.
Why don't you go get the chlorine?
Yeah, okay, I'll go get the chlorine. So our final step is to kill the bacteria. So to kill the bacteria, we need to add chlorine.
So Lauren is adding the chlorine into the water to make it clearer.
So now we can put the water back into the lake.
And now we can clean the rest of the lake.
Yay.